नमस्कार, मैं परवेज आलम। आज म अनलाइन क्लास लिएर आएको छु। विश्वभरि फैलिएको कोभिड-19 भाइरसको कारणले सबै विद्यालय ठप्प भएको अवस्थामा विद्यार्थीहरूलाई कसरी विजय गराउने भन्ने सन्दर्भमा म आज केही टपिक्समा चर्चा गर्नेछु। त्यसभन्दा पहिले श्री अन्नपूर्ण विद्या मन्दिर सेकेन्डरी स्कुल बालगङ्गा 5 को पहका संस्थापक लगायत अन्नपूर्ण सबै स्टाफ मेम्बर्सहरूलाई र यस अवस्थालाई सिर्जना गरिदिनु एप्पल ट्युसनका संस्थापकज्यूहरूलाई पनि हृदयदेखि धन्यवाद भन्न चाहन्छु। र आज म क्लास 7 र 8 को ओपिटी म्याथ को कुनै युनिट र टपिक्समा चर्चा गर्नेछु। युनिट 5 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकमा आज चर्चा गर्नेछौँ हामी र त्यसमध्ये पनि एउटा सानो टपिक्स लिएर आएको छु, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक ratio of the right angle triangle. Of the right angle triangle. Let's show trigonometric ratio of the right angle triangles. A right angle triangle has one angle with 90 degree or 100 grade or 5 radian by 2. Yes, from the given figure, figures, triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. Yes, so a triangles ABC, yes, from the given figures, triangle ABC, yes, angle B is a right angle, yes, be 90 degree. They are having one face angles, that's theta, yes, and the remaining side are also then included. So the right angles opposite sides, is called hypotenuse. H. Yes. Hence, once the face angles, the theta, yes, that in its symbols you read as theta. Theta's opposite sides is called perpendicular. Short form is P, and remaining side is base. B. Yes, there are the 6 trigonometric ratio of the right angle triangles. Yes, but there are needed class 7's are 3 fundamental trigonometric ratio: sine, cosine, and tangent. 3 only. But class 8's are needed 6 trigonometric ratio: sines, cosines, tangents, cosec's, secs, and cot. So which items? What is the trigonometric ratio? Trigonometric ratio, the set of ratio of any two sides of the right angle triangles is called trigonometric ratio. There are the 6 trigonometric ratio are included. So you find out that the ratio of perpendicular to hypotenuse with reflex angle angles perpendiculars to hypotenuse is called sine of reflex angle theta. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular to hypotenuse P by H. Perpendicular short form is P, hypotenuse short form is H. So we find the trigonometric ratio of sines P by H. Next, base to hypotenuse is called cosine of reflex angle angles theta. That's cosine cos theta is equal to V by X, base to hypotenuse V by X. Or next, perpendicular to base is called tangent of reflex angle theta. So trigonometric ratio of tangents, we take on reflex angle theta and theta equal to P by B. Yes, perpendicular to base. Perpendicular short form is P, base short form is B. So next, there are the including or the fundamental trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine and tangents. Yes, it is the fundamental trigonometric ratio. How can remember that this formula of the trigonometric ratio? That is short points. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरी हरी बोल सोना चांदी तोल. Yes, P by H, B by H and P by B. Yes, S means sine, C means cos, T means tan. Yes, and that is the formula of fundamental trigonometric ratio. Sines P by H, cos B by H and tan P by B. Yes, so remember this formula. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरी हरी बोल सोना चांदी तोल. और प्यारी बहिनी प्रतिमा हाँसी हाँसी बोला. That's clear? Okay. मलाई आशा छ यो बुझिसक्नुभयो होला. Okay. So we find the complementary ratio. That means this reciprocal ratio. So there are including first hypotenuse, the ratio of the sides hypotenuse to perpendicular. Perpendicular is called cosec with or of refresh angle theta. So cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse to perpendicular h by p. Yes, h means hypotenuse, p means perpendicular. And next, the hypotenuse, the ratio of sides hypotenuse to base is called sec of refresh angle theta. So sec theta equal to h by b, hypotenuse by base. Yes, hypotenuse to base. H means hypotenuse, b means base. So next, the ratio of sides base to perpendicular is called cot. Cot means with or of refresh angle theta. Cot theta is equal to base to perpendicular b by p. B means base and p means perpendicular. It is the complementary ratio or reciprocals ratio. So the fundamental trigonometric are sine, cosine and tangents. It is the fundamental trigonometric ratio and cosec, sec and cot. It is the complementary or reciprocals ratio, but it is the trigonometric ratio of the right angle triangles. So see some related question of the trigonometric ratio. Okay. Question number 1. Find the trigonometric ratio from the given right angle triangle. Theta 5, 4, 3. Yes, there are the right angle triangles. So find the trigonometric ratio. Yes, trigonometric ratio. You understood? How can you find out that? You remember that trigonometric ratio formula. Yes, at first you remember that the fundamental trigonometric ratio formula. Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. Yes, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol. यो पोइन्ट्सलाई चाहिँ तपाईहरुले याद गर्नुभयो भने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फन्डामेन्टल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो हामीले सजिलैसँग फाइन्ड गर्न सक्छौं। सो स्टार्ट गरौँ यो क्वेशनबाट। सल्युशन्स गिवन right angle triangle, we have hypotenuse, yes, which sides are called the hypotenuse? Right angles opposite sides is called the hypotenuse. What is the value of hypotenuse? 5. And face angles opposite sides is called the perpendicular. Perpendicular P. That's value is 4. And remaining side circles base B. 3. Yes. So we use the trigonometric ratio formula. Now the trigonometric ratios are as below as. Okay, first sine. Yes, we check on the reference angles. Yes, they are having reference angle in right also. Reference angle is equal to theta. Okay, sine theta. What is the formula? P by H. What is the value of P? 4. H value is 5. And next, cos. Cos formula is B by H. What is the value of B? 3. H is 5. And next, tan. Theta is equal to P by B. P value is 4, P value is 3. यो भयो फन्डामेन्टल ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो। यसरी हामीले फाइन्ड गरिन्छ जुन यो चाहिँ 7 क्लासलाई आवश्यकता छ। अब क्लास 8 लाई यदि निकाल्न भने ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो भने 6 वटा रेशियोहरु फाइन्ड गर्ने। Yes, and also find out the class 7's the trigonometric ratio are on 6 types of the trigonometric ratio. 6 वटा यदि हामीले ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो क्लास 7 ले पनि फाइन्ड गर्यो भने उहाँहरुले पनि फाइदा हुनेछ। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट we find the trigonometric ratio cosec. Cosec theta. Cosec theta hypotenuse to perpendicular. H by P. What is the value of H? 5. And P is 4. And next, sec theta. H by B. H value is 5, B value is 3. And cot. Cot theta is, what is the formula? B by P. B value is 3, P value is 4. Yes, it is the trigonometric ratio from the right angle triangles. We find out the easy this time. Okay, today this much one. Thank you.